In this chapter, as we look at operators in Python, we're going to be using the Python shell, which is called idle in a graphical environment, or in a text environment, it's simply the Python interpreter run from the command line. Python has all the standard arithmetic operators. For example, if you say 5 plus 5, you get 10. If you say 5 times 5, you get 25. Say 5 minus 3, you get 2. And if you say 5 divided by 3, you get this 1.666. Python also has something that they call floor division, which is simply integer division. If I say 5 with 2 slashes divided by 3, then I get 1, which will, of course, has a remainder as well. And so if I say 5 with a percent sign for modulo and a 3, then I get the remainder. Python also has a built-in function called divmod that gives you the two results together. So if you say divmod 5, 3, then you get both of those results together as a tuple. Finally, Python has increment and decrement operators, and they're not quite the same as you see in some other scripting languages. If I say num equals 5, and I say num plus equals 1, and then look at the value of num, we get 6. I say num minus equals 1, we look at the value of num, then we get 5. And there's also a multiplication and division form of these. So if I say num times equals 5, I get 25. If I say num floor division equals 5, then I get the integer 5. And of course, if I say num times equals 5 again, and then num with 1 slash, div equals 5, then we'll get the floating point version 5.0. So those are the basic arithmetic operators that are available in Python. It has all the standard ones and a couple that it's implemented in its own interesting way.